Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Rohit this side. In this video, I am going to show you how you can learn Python for free, absolutely, from world's top university, that is Harvard. Harvard professor David Malan. So, what the first question arises in your mind is why should I learn Python, not C++, Java? You should learn Python. That I will discuss in another video, but for brief introduction, I am going to tell you Python is a very basic language. It's just similar to English language. For writing just a simple hello world statement in Java or C++, you have to do cout using namespace std in Java public static. But for printing in Python, you just need to write printf statement, and the return output statement can be present on a output screen. So the first reason you should learn Python as a computer science student or coding enthusiast, you will be able to make many projects in Python like games or any calculator or any computational project. Second, Python is a versatile language. It can be used in artificial intelligence to big data analytics to web development to research. Third, it has a very large community of Python. You must learn Python. I will make a video on paid course or also comment down in the comment section talking about the course. So how can you access it? So let me show you. So just go to Google and type Harvard CS50 Python.edx. So just click on first link. Here the link will open. So here you can see that it is given by Harvard University. CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. If you are new to programming, then you can also begin because it's a beginner friendly course. So here you can see that it is of duration 12 weeks. You can devote 6 to 18 hours per week. Self-paced. It's given free certificate with it. So you can just enroll by clicking here. So here you can see that you just need to type your email address and you can audit the course for free. I am going to show you another method through which you can learn Python if you do not care about the certificate. So just go to YouTube and type Harvard CS50 Python. So here it will show you the playlist of Harvard CS50 Python Introduction to Programming. So here you can see that they have 14 videos, each of length 1 hours. So here you can see that they start from functions, variables, VS Code, that is IDE setup for Python, conditional statements, loops, exception, debugging, library style, unit test, file input output statement, regular expression, object oriented programming, and etc. So I'm going to show you one lecture. So you can let's say object oriented programming. The one thing I like about the course is the professor, how interactive he is, and the real life example he gives. He makes the subject very easy through his explanation. So you can see that. If you are new to programming, then you must try this course. If you want to know about paid courses or 100 days of code challenge, then please write in the comment section. I want to know about. I will make a video on this for more such videos.